Hi and welcome. We're giving you a closer look at the AdTech Crafters dot glue runner and give you a quick demonstration on how this works for card making. So the way this works is that you run the sticky side onto the paper and then it becomes a double-sided tape. This is sticky here. I'm using a heavy watercolor paper for this card. I find that watercolor paper that's at least 140 GSM makes a really good paper for cards. And then I have a little watercolor painting that I'm going to attach. This was also painted on 140 GSM watercolor paper. All you have to do is run the glue runner parallel to the paper. And you do have to press firmly so that it catches onto the paper and so that it doesn't skip. If you do it too light, then you're going to find that it's not going to be catching properly. These are definitely good little crafting tools to have if you like to make cards. And the nice thing about them is that they are refillable. You can see the glue on there now. Then just attach it to the card and press down a bit so that it makes a good connection. And you're good to go. Now, if you do make a mistake and need to reposition your paper, it's really quite sticky. So if you're using very thin paper, it's probably not going to come off. But for heavier paper, you might be able to take it off as long as you do it really carefully. But it is meant to stick, so you might have to practice a little bit with your centering. And then when you run out, you just have these refill sets on hand and you're good to go. So this is the pack of 8, and I'll go ahead and get this opened up for you. Here's the insert. Okay, so this is the dot runner that you're going to be refilling. So you just press down on this little tab at the top and kind of wiggle it open and it will just pop right open. Then take out the used cartridge and put in the new one. And you just have to make sure that you're putting it in the right way. The top is flat and then the bottom matches the gears inside the dot runner. So press it in until it clicks. Close it up and that's it. So when you first use it, there's a few inches of priming and then the sticky tape will just come right out. And just be sure that you're pressing firmly and parallel to the paper. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.